Have a Ryobi. That wasn't the one. That one's bad, but that one's not as bad as. Oh, ping! Look at that guy. So, I looked through my junk, my pile of junk, because I got a lot of junk. Junk. I'm a human being. I like junk. Lots of junk. So, initially thought maybe I would just have to buy a new carburetor for this guy here, but I did get it to poke through. And I mean, it took a little coax, and hopefully I didn't lose my drill down in here somewhere. But we are on the right path here. And what I did find, and it's absolutely a crime what the small engine businesses have done to consumers, in my opinion, because what they've done is they've sped up the process of failure for all these units. And the reason that I say that they've sped up the process for failure, and yes, I know they want to engineer mechanics and shade tree mechanics and whatever else out of the equation. They want computers to do it all, because computers don't care about brakes, they don't care about unions, they don't care about politics, they don't care about fair wages. So if you can create items that, it looks like they pumped on dish soap right into that, whatever, not my thing. Any point where you can go ahead and save money in a business is it's a plus. It's a plus to the business. I mean, I will never argue that. But at the same time, when you're doing that, you're creating a disservice too to your consumer, because now your consumer is upset that they have bought a product that is not reliable. And they've been told for years that, you know, like Honda engines are reliable, and they're fairly reliable. The slant engine, as I call it, is more reliable in my opinion than the horizontal one that I've seen out there. And what we'll do is try to get this glove off, and thankfully the needle came out. It is not in the best condition, but as soon as you start running some fuel through it, it'll be all right. And I could have done this while it was all inside the unit, but I was really having a hard time getting the right hangulation on the. Did I just put that in ups? No, I put that in the right. Getting the right hangulation on the. That hole might need a little coaxing too. Yeah, we're all right. Should have probably put a little grease in that too. Yeah, see, that hole is also got a little bit of debris in it. I needed to check. Didn't check. So let's see if we can clean that out. How about the fuel line in general? So put that back here. And if I can find my, I think I got a bunch of these rolling around here, don't I? Yeah, son of a biscuit. People are really hauling on the street today, man. Why pay taxes? Police don't give a shite. Yeah, so that's there's a full tank of gas in there. So this fuel line all the way back is rotted out. They got the placard in the way, so I mean, look, it's 25 out here. Holy shit. How about gas coming out of there? Alright, so I get a little rusty gas out of there. Yeah, no, right on my floor, right? Horse environmentals. Not your house. Oh, I gotta smell it. Should see what your auto industries do. Your plastic bottling companies. Think this is bad. How about the guy that makes the cap for that? Alright, so fuel to there, but no fuel to here. So where'd it go now? Where did it go? This wasn't what I was looking for, but yeah, that was definitely. Oh, look at the garbage coming out. Oh, that's great. Good garbage. How fast do you think that person was going? Oh no, I did it. Come on. There we go. All over my leg. That was nice. That was nice. Which one was that in? That one or that one? And that one goes in there. All right. So I think we're good with gas. All right. So gas is flowing again. Yeah, that's more like it. Nice constant, steady stream of dino juice just flowing out. Yeah, it's the best. These are always fun. I always hated these gasket kits that they got in here. But all right, let's see if this floaty floats. Get the hair off of it. Get the grass out of it, right? Did you say no? Put more grass in it? Okay. Yeah, budger. I don't think this one springs on the top. Some of them do. Huh? Where'd it go? I thought I threw it right up here. part of my problem. Looking for parts. There it is. Stupid little thing. God damn it. Okay, let's see. Like it's supposed to operate. And then, like I said, I'm gonna sneak this guy on here. Let's go wave at this guy. Let's go wave at him. Fucking people, I tell you. And he, you know, he's got a big trailer on the back. Don't give a crap. Sorry, I know. I shouldn't let it upset me, but I do. Just because it's so disrespectful. Oh. Normally don't put them on like that, but you know, today's that day. Now what you do with the bolts and the... I feel like there's a gasket on the front too. I feel like this gasket, look at that. I don't know, maybe it did. I feel like there's supposed to be two gaskets there, but definitely don't see the second gasket. I feel like this gasket, but it's metal, so, and I would expect it to be on the inside, but I feel like there should definitely be a gasket there as well. So someone may have had the front of this off before. Let's see if I got a gasket sitting up in here somewhere. Somebody's got a delivery of work this weekend. I think that gasket's the right gasket, but it would fit. It would do. Take gasket. Excuse me. That is actually a Honda carb gasket there. I don't know what was in there. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That'll work. I guess I'm looking the wrong side. I have to look at this side. Yes and no. Technically no. But it would do just enough. We'll do it. It's better than nothing. Alright. I'm try to keep the dirt from going inside. Let's at least create a little bit of a sealing surface on the inside. This is actually Briggs & Stratton gasket. Looks like an intake gasket for a Briggs & Stratton. I feel like that gasket, for whatever reason, is this one right here is in the wrong spot. I really do. But I'm not here to go ahead and re-engineer this. And I'm just trying to see how someone else had it on here. I actually feel like it's also supposed to be like that, but I'm not 100% sure. Don't remember. But what I will do is I will go by what appears to be lines. And you know what? Is this hose torn up enough that somebody else may have been playing in this. It certainly looks like somebody else may have been playing in it, but neither here nor there for me to decide. Don't know. Don't care. I do hate Honda engines and carburetors because they do make it a little bit of a pain in the ass to put them back together. And part of that is because, like, you know, you're trying to hold these gaskets in place and twist and turn stuff around without breaking stuff. Always gets to be a little bit of a Chinese puzzle, jigsaw puzzle. This one's not so bad. Ah, see, that guy right there. The breather tube is always the inconsistent mother that wants to break free of its breathing. And I usually try to put them on before. But gently, hopefully gently push. Yep, alright. Okay, hopefully we can hit the head now. And so one screw in, one screw not. There you go. This one does not want to go in as nicely. That's these stupid plastic covers. So whatever you do, don't get testy with it and just ram it home. Make sure you got your threads going in there before you start ramming it home, because boy, oh boy, you will not be a happy camper. Now let's see how badly it leaks. Good. I think I got the choke on backwards. I think it'll be alright. I do. I'll have to tell him that. Put the choke in the wrong spot. And run. I don't have a choke because I don't know if we... Ah, and it's leaking gas anyway. Look at that. Leaking gas. So we'll probably end up just buying a new carburetor for this. I don't think this one. I'll take it. Let's see if we can stop it. I doubt it. I can probably put a new gasket in there too, but stop. I think it stopped. Give it the old heave-ho. Try it again, so it's not getting fuel. Yep, so we'll buy a new carburetor. This one, I tried like hell to clean it up. Which is usually just a waste of time anyways, a lot of times. Well, let's do this once too while we're at it, I guess. See if the fuel is. Yeah, we got plenty of fuel coming out. So it's not getting up the emulsion tube. I guess I could give it one more shot too. Give it one more shot and try to get it to get back up in the emulsion tube. And that's exactly what's going on right now. There's no gas going up into the emulsion tube. I call it an emulsion tube. Whatever you want to call it. Whatever the right name is for it, someone might tell me. It's yeah, right there. That's probably blocked. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, there's so much rust in that. Exactly what was happening. There's no fuel going through that, so should work now. I don't know how many times I tell people stop using that crap with the alcohol in it, because if you let something sit for a little while, boy oh boy. So, you know, what do you charge for a job like this? $100 bucks. $100 bucks. Look, you gotta be careful with your needle too. See that thing was flying back down. I could have put a little grease around that gasket too, I guess, and that should be good enough. Boy, oh boy, that's all part of the bot. Let's try. So the inconvenience of having the choke in the opposite direction, that was my fault. I guess we'll do it right. Ooh. We'll pull it back apart. Stupid choke. And I managed to get it in the wrong spot there, but good fucking gravy. Well, I might as well turn this off because I'm still not so sure about that, but it's here saying it's going. That thing's that was shot. I should probably put something else on there, but and then how's it in there? Yeah, now it's in the right spot. Start. Run. Here you go. Like I said, this definitely seems like it may have been apart before, based on observations there. And put this together and we can let them know that Joanna and Ray know that this unit runs again. I'll hook it up to the water too. And it's the only reason I don't like pressure washers is because it costs me a fortune for PA American water. Stupid PA American water. Get you coming and going. Like I said, the ones with the automatic chokes in them, they're a pain. You can find them on the lawn mowers. I'm trying to get here. Don't look like they ever used it. Start, run. Start. All right. That's good.